Practice Test 4, The Theory of Multiple Intelligences. Today I want to discuss Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Traditionally, intelligence was measured by IQ tests, which mainly focus on math and language skills. Gardner argued that intelligence is much broader, and he proposed several distinct types. His theory changed the way educators think about student learning. Let me give you two examples. First, musical intelligence. Some people excel in recognizing rhythms, tones, and patterns of sound. For instance, a talented musician might not do very well in math, but can compose a song, remember melodies, and play instruments with ease. This demonstrates a form of intelligence that IQ tests usually overlook. Second, bodily-kinesthetic intelligence. This refers to the ability to use one's body effectively. Athletes and dancers are good examples. A soccer player, for example, needs to control movement, coordinate with teammates, and respond quickly to changing situations on the field. These skills require intelligence, but not necessarily the kind measured on paper tests. Gardner's theory suggests that intelligence is not limited to one or two skills. Instead, people can be intelligent in different ways, through music, physical ability, social skills, or other talents. This theory helps educators design teaching methods that respect different strengths. The professor describes Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the theory and how the professor illustrates it.